Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up the Dreame X40 Ultra. So there we have the new unpacked appliance, and now I'm gonna tell you how to set up this device. Okay, at the start, in the first step, we have to install the ramp extension. You should get this thing in the accessory, just put it here to help the robot goes to the charging station. Of course, check that you have this element installed correctly. And now we can go to the robot. In the first step, you're gonna see the sorry, I just removed it before, the protection kit. You have to just remove it from this hole and this hole, just remove it. Then let's go to the back of this appliance, and as you can see, we have two mop pads. You have to just connect the fabric to the plastic element and install it to this and to this hole. It's a magnet, and now we have installed the mop pads. Now we can go to the dock station. As you can see, sorry about the focus, there we have a drawer. Let's open it by pulling it from the bottom side. And there we have one pre-installed dust pack and the container on the left for the detergent, the cleaning solution. And we have to refill it with the detergent that you get in the accessories. Just refill it to the full. Then close the cover and put it right in place. Inside the dock station, we have the two containers. The black one is for a dirty water, the white one is for a clean water, so just refill the clean water tank to the full. Okay, now we can close the cover from the up, push until you hear the click. Okay, that's it. So I think we can go to the app. So in the first step, we have to look for the Dreame app in the Play Store or App Store. Install it and open. If you're doing it for the first time, you have to register your account. You can also log in by the Facebook or the Google accounts. Okay, now click on the scan QR code or plus add. I'm gonna add it manually. The Bluetooth is turned on, so let's turn it on. Then choose the X40 Ultra. Now turn on your appliance by holding the power button. The middle button, just hold it until you hear the melody. Okay, the robot is turned on. Now we have to hold the spot clean button and dock button for 3 seconds to reset the network connection. Okay, check the window and click on the next. And okay, now we have to enter the password to our Wi-Fi network. And click on the next. Okay. We can also connect the appliance by the hotspot, so I'm gonna try to scan the QR code, so click on the next. Okay, I see I have some problems, so I'm gonna try to add it manually. So once again, the second step, reset the network settings. enter the Wi-Fi password, and now tap on the connect via device hotspot. Okay, I'm gonna try to reset and reset it once again. As you can see, it's not very easy at all, so let's tap on the rescan. Okay, I have to just jump to the Wi-Fi settings manually. As you can see, there I have the hotspot from the Dreame Vacuum, so just click on it and connect. Okay, and now the robot vacuum is connected with my phone, so let's try to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Okay, as you can see, there are the 3 checkers. We can click on the next. Now we can add the name of the appliance and click on the finish. Now we're downloading some plugin to the app. And now we can start the fast mapping of the appliance to scan the whole room and make the map of your location. Set that you want to. Okay, we can switch definitely to the English. So click on the set, tap on the English apply. Now we are downloading the language pack, and tap on the start fast mapping. Check that you want to activate the AI drive and map extended, the side reach, and select that you have the pets in your home. Tap on the start to experience. And tap on the clean. Okay, and as you can see, we have a really fast scan. I'm gonna now pause it because we don't have more time for this video, but just wait until the fast mapping are finished. And basically after these steps you can start normally using your robot vacuum. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.